Hello friends, today we learn about coronavirus facts, GK quiz, question and answer, important MCQ on coronavirus, and how about coronavirus. Where do coronavirus come from? A wide range of animals are known to be the source of coronavirus. The virus can be transmitted to human and spread between them. What is the coronavirus and its symptoms? Coronavirus are a largely family of viruses which may cause illness in animals or humans. The virus can cause mild flu-like symptoms such as fever, cough, difficulty breathing, muscle pain, and tiredness. What is COVID-19? COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by the most recently discovered coronavirus. This new virus and disease were unknown before the outbreak began in Wuhan, China in December 2019. COVID-19 is now a pandemic affecting many countries globally. What should I do if I have COVID-19 symptoms, and when should I seek medical care? If you have a minor symptom such as a slight cough or a mild fever, there is generally no need to seek medical care. Stay at home, self-isolate and monitor your symptom. Follow national guidelines on self-isolation. Seek immediate medical care if you have difficulty breathing or pain pressure in the chest. If possible, call your healthcare provider in advance so he or she can direct you to the right health facility. Is there any treatment or a vaccine? There is no specific treatment. The approaches is to treat the clinical symptoms, and there are currently no vaccine against coronavirus including 2019 nCoV. So we start GK quiz. What is the name given to the disease caused by coronavirus spread in Wuhan city? A. COVID-19, B. Corona-19, C. Coronavirus 19, and none of these. COVID-19. Full form of COVID-19, coronavirus disease 2019. Next question is, what is the name given by scientists to the coronavirus before Wuhan city? A. COVID-19, B. Coronavirus, C. SARS-CoV-2, D. None of these. Answer is C. SARS-CoV-2. Next question is, who has declared COVID-19 is a pandemic? A. India, B. China, C. United States, D. WHO. Answer is WHO. Full form of WHO is World Health Organization. Next question is, in which Indian state has full curfew been imposed due to coronavirus in the first time? A. Haryana, B. Punjab, C. Maharashtra, D. Delhi. Answer is B. Punjab. Next question is, on which day is the public curfew, Janta curfew, imposed due to coronavirus? A. 21st of March 2020, B. 22nd of March 2020, C. 23rd of March 2020, and D. 24th of March 2020. So answer is 22nd of March 2020. Next question is, how many days remain coronavirus lockdown phase 1? A. 20 days, B. 21 days, C. 22 days, D. 23 days. So answer is B. 21 days. Next question is, how many days remain coronavirus lockdown phase 2? A. 18 days, B. 19 days, C. 22 days, D. 23 days. So answer is B. 19 days. Next question is, how many days remain coronavirus lockdown phase 3? A. 12 days, B. 14 days, C. 16 days, D. 18 days. So answer is B. 14 days. Next question is, how many days remain total coronavirus lockdown phase 1, 2 and 3? A. 48 days, B. 54 days, C. 60 days, D. 64 days. So answer is B. 54 days. Next question is, in which state became the first state to lockdown due to coronavirus? A. Punjab, B. Maharashtra, C. Rajasthan, D. Delhi. So answer is C. Rajasthan. Next question is, coronavirus affected which part of the human body? A. Muscles, B. Head, C. Lungs, D. Heart. Answer is C. Lungs. Next question is name of the test of coronavirus. A. COVID test, B. Corona test, C. RT-PCR, and D. SARS-2. Answer is C. RT-PCR. Next question is coronavirus located in which province of China? A. Shanghai, B. Shenzhen, C. Hubei, D. None of these. Answer is C. Hubei. Next question is how much aid has India announced in SAARC COVID-19 emergency fund? A. $5 million, B. $10 million, C. $15 million, D. $20 million. Answer is B. $10 million. Next question is Indian government launches which app for COVID-19 tracker app? A. Coronavirus tracker app, B. Corona Warrior app, C. Corona 19 app, D. Arogya Setu app. Answer is D. Arogya Setu app. Next question is what feature has WhatsApp launched in India to make you aware of coronavirus? A. WhatsApp News, B. WhatsApp Chatbot, C. WhatsApp Go, D. WhatsApp Live. Answer is WhatsApp Chatbot, B. WhatsApp Chatbot. Next question is Instagram has launched which feature to make its user aware of coronavirus? A. Instagram News, B. Instagram Feed, C. Instagram TV, D. Instagram Online. Answer is B. Instagram Feed. Next question is when coronavirus first identified? A. 1955, B. 1960, C. 1965, D. 1970. Answer is 1960, B. 1960. Next question is what was the new name of coronavirus temporarily? A. SARS, B. 2019 nCoV, C. COVID, D. Corona. So answer is 2019 nCoV, B. 2019 nCoV. Next question is in which language is the name coronavirus originated? A. Latin, B. Hindi, C. Sanskrit, D. English. Answer is A. Latin. Next question is a disease that can be transmitted to humans from animal is A. Zoonotic, B. Hypnotic, C. Zoonotic, D. None of these. Answer is C. Zoonotic. Next question is which medicine has India exported to United States of America? A. PCM, B. Coronil, C. Hydroxychloroquine, D. None of these. Answer is hydroxychloroquine. Next question is SARS-CoV-2 belongs to which genus? A. Gamma coronavirus, B. Alpha coronavirus, C. Beta coronavirus, D. Delta coronavirus. Answer is C. Beta coronavirus. Next question is COVID-19 is transmitted by A. Water, B. Droplets, C. Food, D. Air. Answer is B. Droplets. Next question is 2019 nCoV stands for A. 2019 novel coronavirus, B. 2019 novel coronavirus, C. 2019 noted coronavirus, D. 2019 COVID coronavirus. Answer is 2019 novel coronavirus, B. A. 2019 novel coronavirus. Next question is minimum distance to maintain from person who is coughing / sneezing. A. 5 feet, B. 3 feet, C. 2 feet, D. 1 feet. Answer is 3 feet, B. 3 feet. Next question is what is full form of COVID-19? Answer is CO for corona, VI for virus, D for disease, 19 for 2019. Thank you for watching friends. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.